good morning. Welcome to another vlog. This is your black voice here. So yeah, today I'm going to give Snowflake at the service center for her first service, touching 1,000 kilometers. So like you all know, it's just gonna be, per service free bolte hai, but you know it's not free. So they charge for the oil and the oil filter, which what is that called? Only labor charge is in charge. So yeah, the oil that I'm using for Snowflake is the Motu synthetic oil. I'll just show you the specs after I reach the service center. So yeah, hope also waiting for them to unlock the speed. Pollution. Yeah, so waiting to get the speed unlocked so that Snowflake can clock high speed. So I'm heading to the service center at Banjara Hills. Very nice guys, got the bike from there itself, thanks to my friend Prakash. Oh, ambulance, you wait for ambulance. Go. Wow. Ambulance first, always. Ambulance first. Remember that, guys. Save someone's life. Very important. Here I am, almost reaching the service center. Signal. Shit. Nice, bro. Move from the way. Wow, triple nine. Look at that. 9 kilometers. Awesome. Let's take a picture. People take so much time. So here I am at Banjara Hills. This is the showroom and this is the service center. And that is Mr. Funny. Say hi. Say hello. This is Mr. Funny. So he is the service manager here. हाँ तो
not always.
हाँ ये भी वो भी ला लिए क्या पार्ट?
हाँ स्टॉक है.
ठीक है. हाँ so yeah, I will be giving Snowflake for service, first service. Got to change this one part because this one part was damaged. This threading had got loose, so the mirror wasn't staying. That's why you see no mirrors on the bike. So that will be changed and then general service. So see you guys in some time. So yeah, this is the oil that I'm using, the Motul NW50 synthetic. This given by KTM itself. So this engine will be changed and the oil filter. So yeah, these two parts and a wash will be done. So this Snowflake getting service done. So in the meanwhile, enjoying this time lapse. So the servicing is done finally. Got everything changed. I mean not everything. Got this mirror change. They put the wrong mirror earlier. So got this change as well. Servicing done. Oil top up done. Air oil filter changed. Chain looped as well. And vehicle is completely washed. So yeah, running pretty smooth. Test ride already कर दिया मैंने, so it's pretty smooth. So let's ride. So this is the service center. I'll show you once again. It's at Banjara Hills, just at the end of the check post. You can come here and meet Funny, very good guy. He's the service in charge, so he'll help you out with any issues. Let's go. Damn, she is just flying, man, flying. So yeah, the unlock is done for the engine. So now she's just gonna rip on the roads. Yep, so smooth engine, and I mean the vehicle is so smooth now. So yeah, like before I said, I've used Motul, that's the synthetic NW50. Pretty good oil for the engine. Top up the coolant as well. Top the coolant, and I forgot to reduce the RPM. I mean it's at 2000 almost, which shouldn't be. Gotta reduce that as well. Good to keep it at 1500 to 1000. This is way too much. So gotta head to work now. to heading to work. So see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun. Keep riding. Ride safe. Wear your safety gear. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.